You've probably heard this famous line in movies. Humans only use 10% of their brains, and imagine, what if one day, you could unlock 100% of your brain's power? Would you become a super genius? Would you get superhuman memory, telepathy, even mind control? Or is it all just a myth? In today's video, we're going to break down the science behind this popular belief and reveal the shocking truth about your brain's real potential. Let's dive in. Where did this 10% myth come from? The idea that we only use 10% of our brain is actually a huge misunderstanding. It started in the early 1900s, when some scientists observed that only a small portion of the brain showed activity during certain experiments. Over the years, media, movies, and even motivational speakers took this and turned it into a fact, which it isn't. Modern neuroscience now proves we actually use almost all parts of our brain, just not all at the same time. What really happens inside our brain? At any given moment, different parts of your brain are responsible for thinking, moving, feeling, sensing, remembering, and controlling your body. Neuroimaging tools like MRI scans show that even when you're resting or sleeping, multiple regions of your brain are active. From solving math problems to daydreaming, your brain is always working. In fact, if 90% of your brain was truly unused, a simple head injury would barely affect you. But in reality, even a small brain injury can cause huge problems. What if we could enhance our brain power? Now, here's where it gets interesting. While the 10% myth is false, there is still room to improve how efficiently we use our brain. Some scientists believe that with advanced technology, like brain-computer interfaces, neural implants, or AI-driven cognitive boosters, we might someday process information faster, learn languages quicker, or even control machines using thoughts. Companies like Neuralink, for example, are already working on brain chips that could enhance brain functions. But does that mean we'll get superpowers? Probably not. But we might become way smarter, more productive, and even control devices just by thinking. The real power lies in neuroplasticity. Want to really unlock your brain's potential? Focus on something called neuroplasticity. It's your brain's ability to rewire itself, learn new skills, and adapt to new challenges, even as you age. You don't need sci-fi technology for that. Learning new things, reading, solving puzzles, playing instruments, all these activities help grow new neural connections. So yes, you can make your brain sharper, but there's no secret hidden 90 waiting to be unlocked. So, what skill would you want to master instantly if you could unlock 100% of your brain? Comment below and let me know. And if you love these science-based myth-busting videos, make sure to subscribe to Fact Fusion, where we turn mind-blowing questions into scientific facts every single week. Stay curious, stay informed. See you in the next video.